Deepika wants to know if it's right to invest in short duration debt funds instead of keeping them in savings bank account. She also asks, why does the price of short duration funds fluctuate on a daily basis when the instrument they invest in give fixed returns?
Well, she's right in the sense that the bonds do give fixed rate of interest, but the point is that these bonds also trade in secondary markets where the prices are subject to the ups and downs, and that's why there are fluctuations in the prices of these bonds. Now, for somebody who invests in a bond and holds it till maturity, these ups and downs are only notional because irrespective of these market movements in the bond price, the investor would still continue to get the interest at a fixed rate, and upon maturity he'll still get back the full principal amount. But because mutual funds have to declare an NAV on a daily basis, and which is mark to market, which means that the bonds in the portfolio are valued at their market prices, that's why there are ups and downs in the NAVs of the bond funds on a day-to-day basis. Even though these fluctuations are not of the magnitude that one sees in equity markets, but they are certainly there. Now, coming to her question about the suitability of short duration funds, well, I'll say yes, if her investment horizon is not limited to the next few months only, then short duration funds should still be a good option. Now, if we look at things from here on, there is a general expectation of a rise in bond yields from here on. In fact, bond yields have already been on the rise since the start of the year, and directionally they are expected to continue to move up from here on, and that generally has a negative impact on bond funds. But given that short duration funds invest in bonds of fairly short maturity of about 1 to 3 years, that is a kind of Macaulay duration that they have to maintain. That's why the impact of these interest rate movements or the upward bias on yields on these funds is going to be limited. And on top of it, they'll continue to earn from the interest income that they receive from the underlying bonds that they hold. So I'd say that if your investment horizon is say 2 years or upwards of that, then these funds should be fine.